Welcome to the channel. Imagine running a full e-commerce business where products are automatically listed, prices update on their own, orders fulfill without you touching a thing. Sounds impossible? Let me show ya. All right, everyone. So if I told you could build your dropshipping store in a couple of minutes and you could handle multiple stores, Wix, Shopify, everything, you'd probably say, how exactly do I do that? Not only that, it handles fulfillment, it handles everything right here. So this is AutoDS. You simply research the products you want, create the store, and then you can start selling. It's an all-in-one dropshipping automation tool. And doing it manually can take a long time. Here you can build AI Shopify stores, get it all set up with living products if you so choose. Then it does product research, you import the products, and you're good. And it doesn't just work with Shopify. It works with print on demand, eBay, WooCommerce, Wix, Facebook, TikTok. You pick it, you have it. It's built to save time by saving you from all those repetitive tasks that you have to do. Also, it has the AI product research, which allows you to suggest trending products and have fulfillment, real-time stock, and even price monitoring. So you can scale because you can work with different stores as well, and it reduces errors. So you might have errors that come with, adding different products or even doing fulfillment, things like that. This is going to boost efficiency. And as we can see, the reviews don't lie, as big names like Mark Tilbury, Adrian Sanchez are talking about it. Great reviews here and a beginner's playbook. Plus, it frees your time on marketing, branding, and customer growth.
Feel like you make amazing content, but it's buried in the YouTube algorithm? You want to rank to the top fast. You want to dominate your niche. Let me introduce you YTRanker and show you how it's done. First, we'll open up an incognito window so we can keep our browsing history fresh. So we'll set our language to English, our country to the USA, and let's go ahead and search for some terms here. Let's try proxy for you. We can see I'm at the top. And then proxy for you tutorial. Here it is. My video is right at the top, and that's because of the strategy. Ready to stop blending in and start leading in your niche? Visit ytranker.net, where visibility meets real results. Let's get back to the video.
So let's take a real quick sneak peek and see how it works. First, we can sign in, and you can do this via Google or anything else. So we're going to go ahead and sign into AutoDS and see how it looks. And here we can see the marketplace. So you can go ahead and import right here. You can do toys and hobbies. If I want to import these particular products, say I want to import this, 500 piece, I can simply go ahead and click on it. Then I can see a product here, picture, color, all the important stuff. Can read the description. It even gives me suggested recommended products. Then I can simply import this. So that's how easy it is to import it. And I can do it simply from one click. And we can see our stores up here, the ones that are clicked, even have hand-picked products that you might like to check out. So there's a bunch of products there. And they have for ad spy and print on demand. So this is really, really useful. Plus, we can see the dashboard, we can see the profit, the orders, everything like that. And this handles fulfillment. So you don't have to do any of the fulfillment yourself. Because let's face it, if you have to do all this stuff yourself and import the products and figure out what's going on, it's going to take a long time. And here on the ad products, you can add single products, multiple, and even use the AutoDS Finder to find the best ones. And if you have questions, which I'm sure you might, then you can check out the AutoDS Academy right here. Toggle it from light to dark. This is really intuitive. So that's how easy AutoDS is to use, how it is to get set up. So now that we've done a demo, you have that, you can launch your store in a couple of minutes. As we can see, over 1 billion has been earned by dropshippers, over 800 million winning products that you can import. And you could do integrations with all of your favorite things: Facebook, Etsy, WooCommerce, TikTok Shop even, suppliers where you need it, and all the resources that you want. So let's cut to the chase. If you've been dreaming of running that dropshipping business that runs itself, then you can utilize AutoDS as a shortcut. It also has a Chrome extension for quick product imports, so you don't even have to log into the dashboard all the time. They have an academy and blog for all your information and customer support when you need it. So don't waste time on manual work. Let automation grow your store while you focus on scaling. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.